I love the smell of diesel in the morning. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. Welcome back to my channel, 440 Diesel. We're cruising in the 7.3, headed to the shop for a super exciting one today. We are putting the 4-inch straight pipe on the 7.3. It is going to sound fantastic, and I cannot wait. I'm meeting up with my cousin, and he's gonna help me throw this thing on, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm a little bit nervous about the downpipe. That seems to be the hardest part. Feeding that thing up through the engine bay and kind of twisting it in there. So I'm a little nervous for that part, but I think we'll be able to get it done, and I'm super excited to hear this thing. 7.3s just sound so good. For some reason, I don't think they sound as good like when you're watching a video of them. I think they sound so much better in person. So I'm super excited to hear this thing, and I'll make sure you guys hear it too. So stay tuned, and I'll get back with you when we're at the shop. All right guys, so we're here at the shop. We got the exhaust unboxed. We got it all laid out. It's looking good. Don't see any damage or anything like that. Got my boy Skinny over there. He's having a morning beer. And we're letting the exhaust cool down for a bit. And we're gonna tear into this thing, so we'll keep you posted along the way. All right, so we got Skinny under the hood. He's a certified HVAC tech. So he's using his HVAC only tools. What is that, what's it called?
It's just blind for getting on long bolts.
That's nice. Long bolts. What is it, a see-through socket?
Yeah.
And he put it right over the top of that clamp.
Came off like butter.
Didn't have to use an extension or nothing. Now he's just backing it off. And next we'll try to pop that clamp open. I've heard that that's a tricky part sometimes, so we'll see. All right guys, so we did decide to cut the exhaust instead of try to unbolt it piece by piece. We figured even if we unbolted it, it's not going back on. It's 26-year-old exhaust, so it's all rusted, and we figured we might as well just cut it. I did want to point out one piece that we struggled with a little bit was this final hanger here. This one you can't pry off because it's captured on both sides like that. So what we did, we cut it right here, and then we put a big set of channel locks on here, and basically we just squeezed down on this and just pulled that hanger through. Probably took us, what, about 15 minutes to get it through. Little PB blaster I sprayed on it earlier, and just worked with it until it finally popped through. So I don't know if there's a better way, but that's how we did it. All right, muffler's out. Damn, look at that big old thing. Damn. Definitely won't be needing that anymore.
That was hard.
All right, guys, we officially got this full stock exhaust removed. A lot of people said the downpipe will get seized on the turbo. I guess we are lucky enough that ours did not. Actually, when we were cutting the exhaust off underneath, the clamp actually slid down the downpipe to the bottom. So it came right off. We cut it in a few pieces. Well, we cut 3 pieces, Kev?
I think 3.
Yeah. Big midsection, downpipe slid out, or 4 sections, I guess. We cut the tailpipe and the muffler section off. So now we're gonna start getting this new exhaust put on. All right, we did successfully get the new downpipe installed. Honestly, if I'm being 100% honest, not as hard as people said it was gonna be.
Easy.
So, and I am not the most mechanically inclined person in the world by any stretch. So if I can do it with a little help from my boy Skinny, then you guys can do it. So there it is. We did not snug it down all the way. We just loosely clamped it on to hold it in place while we run the rest of the exhaust. And then we'll come back and snug everything down at the end. All right, guys. Mission complete. We finally got this done. Downpipe clamp tightened up. I'll get under here and full 4-inch all the way back. Kev, would you do the honor of closing the hood? Completing the job?
That's it.
All right, we're gonna have Kev start this up and let's see how she sounds. I'm excited. Fire her up, baby. This thing sounds insane. We're gonna take a spin around the block, gonna let her eat a little bit so we can see what it sounds like inside the cab, but this thing sounds unbelievable, so. Oh my God. That turbo is unbelievable.
Filthy.